What are the best towns to visit on the Wild Atlantic Way? Imagine standing on a rugged cliff edge, feeling the cool sea breeze as waves crash below. The Wild Atlantic Way is full of places like this, where nature's power and beauty come together. This route stretches over 1,500 miles along Ireland's west coast, revealing some of the most stunning Irish landscapes and coastal views. Each town along the way has its own story and charm, making the journey unforgettable. Starting at the southern tip, Kinsale in County Cork is famous for its colorful streets and lively harbor. It's a perfect place for tasting fresh seafood and exploring historic sites like Charles Fort. From there, Killarney in County Kerry offers access to the Ring of Kerry and Killarney National Park, where lakes and mountains create picture-perfect scenery. You can enjoy boat rides, hikes, and cozy pubs filled with local music. Moving north, Doolin in County Clare is known for its traditional Irish music sessions and proximity to the cliffs of Moher. These cliffs rise over 800 feet above the Atlantic, offering breathtaking views and great photo opportunities. Nearby, the village of Lisdoonvarna hosts a famous matchmaking festival every September, adding a lively cultural touch. In County Galway, Clifton is called the capital of Connemara. It has stunning beaches like Gertine Beach and Dogs Bay, perfect for walking or relaxing. The town is also a gateway to Connemara National Park, where you can see mountains, bogs, and wildlife. Westport in County Mayo is another charming spot, with its Georgian architecture, lively pubs, and outdoor activities like cycling along the Great Western Greenway. Further north, Greencastle in County Donegal is a small harbour town with historic castle ruins overlooking Lough Foyle. It's a peaceful place to enjoy fresh seafood and explore scenic coastal walks. Not far from there, the Slieve League Cliffs in Donegal are taller than the cliffs of Moher, offering dramatic views over the Atlantic. Finally, Dingle in County Kerry is famous for Slee Head Drive, which offers some of Ireland's most striking coastal scenery. The town itself is full of colorful shops, pubs, and friendly locals. It's also a great place to try local seafood and listen to traditional music. Each of these towns offers a unique taste of Ireland's coastal beauty and cultural richness. Whether you're after dramatic cliffs, lively villages, or peaceful harbors, the Wild Atlantic Way has something special at every stop.